Today we're going to be showing you how to turn the VPN on and off on your phone when setting up IKev2 on your phone. So once we're done, it's going to kind of look like this. You'll be on your settings screen, you turn the VPN on, and you just give it a moment. And at the top right, you'll see VPN set up. And it's as easy as that to start having a secure private browsing experience. So that's how quickly and easy it is to turn it on. First, we have to go ahead and set it up. So let's go ahead and explain that for you. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and choose General here. And from General, we're going to choose VPN. So here what we would do is add the VPN configuration. But before we can go ahead and set it up, we need a VPN service. You can't just set it up without having the service. So there are different ways of getting the service. There's a lot of different VPN companies out there. Ours really targets being anonymous and does not store any of your logs. Just to show you, I have the website open here. And if you go down, it has our plans and our pricing. It is a premium service, it's not a free service. Also, we do have support. So if you ever have any questions, this circle right here, you just click on it and you can ask us a question and we will get to you right away. So it does cover all the systems, so you don't have to worry about that. It is high speed. And it does work with 5 devices at a time. So you can have this on your iPhone, an iPad, a laptop, a computer, and still have one more left over. If you're worried about not having enough servers, you don't have to worry about that. We have over 300,000 IP addresses. We cover all the protocols. So basically, I'm saying this is going to be very safe and we're set up everywhere. Don't have to worry about us storing your logs or tracking how much you use. And you can go through and read more about it if you'd like on the website. And if you have any questions, like I said, just go ahead and tap on this and we will get to you and help you out. So here's the steps. So step 1, you would go to the website and you would purchase. Pick a plan. The longer you stay with us, the cheaper and more you save. So if you wanted to go with a year, which is pretty popular, you could do the $36.99 for 1 year. Or if you just wanted to try it out, you could do 1 month at $8.99. Now, let me tell you, we do not have free trials. However, we do have a money-back guarantee. So within 4 days, if you are not satisfied, you can go ahead and contact us and we will refund your money and no questions asked. Once you go ahead and click those and purchase it, then you'll get an email with your configuration. So you would choose Add VPN Configuration, and then under Description, you could put whatever you want. Usually I recommend put something like our name so you know who the VPN service is through. Server would look like this, although we do have a long list of servers. So if you're wanting to connect somewhere other than New York, because this one's to connect to New York, I have a list of servers I can provide for you so you can find out what's best for you. Remote ID, you're going to put exactly what it says there. Down at the bottom, you're going to have your username and password. That's where you're going to go ahead and put the information that has been sent to you in the email. You'll put that in. Once you're done, you just go ahead and hit done at the top right, and then you're set. Again, if you don't have a paid service, this won't work. This is only for a paid service with Shielded VPN. If you go with free company, that's fine, but just know your security is always at risk because nothing's for free anymore. If it's free, there's a reason it's free. They're making money other ways, usually selling your data. So understand that because they're not going to do this at a loss. And then we can go back to your settings screen as your main settings screen and just turn the VPN on. The VPN is going to go and connect and get connected. And now it's all set. So now anything you do on the internet is not being tracked by your provider and you can surf as you'd like. On our main website, we have some other things. If you'd like to know what a VPN is, go ahead and just click on that and we'll explain it to you. Also, if you want to know more about us, go ahead and choose About. And if you want to set it up, just choose Setup. And we're going to walk you through some steps here and help you troubleshoot things. Also, if you have any problems again while you're doing this, again, you have this circle to get live support. We really pride ourselves on the live support. So if you have any problems, we can just help you and walk you through it. And thank you so much for the interest in Shielded VPN.